ngasi akhoi nakanda laibiriba Mr. Panthoi mahakna social media cyber crime and IT security and privacy ki matangda haibadi akhoi na social media paiba use to matangda masida mangjaba amani tongjaba haibana chingba cyber crime matangda haibada akhoi Sir Panthoi na thapigani Tama PC Sir Panthoi
One language I'm not the expert, but I can share what I know. Everywhere I hear them really. Smartphone smartphone by the way. So that's a soon phone. Online the laptop the internet the laptop the like you I can secure ledger crimes any crimes chingman the ko or which is to lam hang to India you in a IPC level then I'm not a legal expert. I don't mind late, but how about spacecraft? Other international space station and later. Other than me, my woman, from Barcelona, go to the machine to Halam and Bali, you can't get Barcelona. Yeah, right. India you in a IT in low level. Then I take 2000 and in 1999 the introduced for 2000 the pass over my so the matunga mo 2008 amendo means hapsen award book me am si award book le ko le hapsen gi ko so 2000 the le ek ma and is 2008 hapsen re so kari gino no ma da ka la isi ha ka कोई सुनना है ये मतलब कोई मणिपुर तो यहाँ चीना वो है तो ऐसे फेसबुक पे पाइनर है ना वो नोई नसागी मणिपुरी फोटो अगर लिखो उसमें पेज का कार इधर में आंदे तो आप लोग वहाँ तो क्या मिलाऊं मैं क्या हुई को what can you do ना उसी केम तो हम दे को वही ना इनमें नमो है ना तो को बना तो ना और हाँ तो केम खलम तो है और ना की फोटो में भी ना अपलोड तो करती रहेगा को अदर मीन ngang kalon sa kai do ya adu questionable oi dro no na sa so adu gi do somehow nang khangmina se ai ko ai na kam khalo share to so ai ri cover to the social media ko online crimes ko adu ga na sa se noi secure na kamai thang da gi ko ni ne Facebook ki ni sign up to the computer they don't give mobile they share to phone number email ID date of birth gender nationality suppose adu le khan rahe ne ni jina misuse to ya do then why you are saying na khang ban nang ni me khang da bagi yeah, that's right. So, I am cyber crime. You come out with things that me low, focus on me low, but I privacy you expose over there. Why? What is cyber crime? Cyber crime. The kind of do you I go happy when in high level. The me hala level. Other I man halami though is not crime. Identity, everything is exposed over the online. So, that's why claim not me. So, when man Facebook is not hard. Why you not there? You Facebook is not hard. Walking together. Man, she can not hard. connected. Mogi